What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're gonna go over Solana, sitting at $76, almost 77, up 2.8 on the day. See market cap of 32.91 billion, 24-hour volume 2.24 billion. All right, so I think Sol's going to put in a higher high. We may continue to print the bearish divergence on the 4-hour, as well, I believe, on the daily. But it looks like Sol is going to create a higher high, especially if BTC sees a bounce, which I think is probable. Of course, anything can happen. Then we can push up to the top of this wedge, up to about $85 to complete that wave one. So basically an ending diagonal to complete that wave one before the pullback. I think that's likely. If we roll from here, it is what it is. But I do think there's a good chance we push up to that resistance. Support and resistance is like a magnet for the price. Yeah, daily, see the daily divergence. So even if we push a little bit higher, the next resistance is up here in between about 99 to about 110. But there is a little bit of support at about $86, which is our target. So we push a little bit higher. We continue to print that bearish divergence on the daily before seeing that pullback. That's what I'm looking at for Sol. We crushed it on this pump on a Sol trade, and we'll look to enter our next one on the next pullback. I just gave another trade signal in the Discord. You can get completely free access if you sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including my US and Canadian traders. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. Minimum deposit's $100. Once you make that deposit, send me an email and you'll get that 20% bonus, as well as I'll give you access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups. As I mentioned, I just gave a signal. Crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis, trade crypto, trade Forex, with a sign up and deposit to BITUNIX, or sign up to the Patreon for only $10 a month. All links down below. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.